know, here's the car. Still don't have the fucking gray, but at least I got on the nose. We still didn't do the other doors. Husky fucking spray guns, $100 each. I got 2 of them, alright? They sprayed one time. I took them apart. One gun will not come apart, alright? One I bought like 2 years ago and never used it. It's been sitting here, alright? Brand new in the box. I was at Home Depot. So, okay, now they come in the case. They're a little different. Alright, but brand new. You see it? I have no idea where the fucking receipt is. Because I bought it a couple months ago. You know, anticipation to do this. So I had an extra gun. In case, God forbid, I had a problem, right? I got 2 brand spanking new guns, right? They worked right the first time. After that, they won't work right. You try to clean them. One will not come apart. Will not come apart. The other one, I turned it, it came apart, and it stripped itself right the fuck out. I couldn't even clean the gun. I got pissed off, threw it right across the fucking room. $200. I'm out $200 in tools, and I'm out $200 in fucking material. This is like, I don't know. I gotta sleep at some point, and I sometimes only sleep a few hours, but I think the motherfucking gremlins come in here and do things to my equipment. I don't understand. Brand new, out the box. How could they be fucking shit? How can they be fucking shit? This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. All fucking day here. All motherfucking day. And that's all I got done. All day. It's 6 o'clock Friday night. Unfucking believable.